A car starting from rest accelerates in the positive x direction. It has a mass of 1.1 into 10 to the power of 3 kilograms and maintains an acceleration of 4.6 meters per second square for 5 seconds. Assume that a single horizontal force accelerates the vehicle. Determine the average power generated by this force. Okay. Now first we will enter the data. What is given to us? Mass is given to us. Okay. And then acceleration is given to us. Okay, 4.6 meters per second square. And then time is given to us. Okay. And then the car is starting from rest. That means initial velocity is equal to 0. Okay. Now we know that power is equal to rate of doing work. Therefore, work by time. Okay. We know work is equal to force dot displacement. And then we know force is equal to mass into acceleration. And then we know that velocity is equal to displacement over time. Okay. Now with this data, we will try to solve this one. So from this, P is equal to F dot D, W by T is equal to F dot D over T, that is equal to MA D over T, or P is equal to MA B. Okay, here the initial velocity is 0. Now we have to find out the final velocity. So how to find out the final velocity? So Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Okay, so Vf, as Vi is equal to 0, acceleration is given to, so Vf is equal to 0 plus 4.6 times 5. That gives Vf is equal to, what is this value? 23. Am I right? 23 meters per second. Now we have to take the average velocity. Average velocity is equal to Vi plus Vf by 2. Therefore, V average is equal to 0 plus 23 by 2. Okay. So this is equal to 111.5 meters per second. V average is equal to. Here, because we have to use the V average. Okay. Therefore, P is equal to mass is 1.10 into 10 to the power of 3 kilograms. And then acceleration is equal to 4.6 meters per second square. And then V average is equal to 11.5 meters per second. Now, if we simplify this one, we will get the value 58,190 watts. Okay, but we know 746 watts is equal to 1 horsepower. Therefore, 58,190 watts is equal to how many horsepower? So for that, what we have to do, 58,190 divided by 746 is equal to 78 horsepower. Okay, so that is what he is asking. Determine the average power generated by. So this is the average power. Average power generated by the car is 78 horsepower. Okay. Understood. Just you have to write down all the concepts are involved here. Here the power, work, and then force, and then kinematic equation. These many concepts are involved in this. This is multiple concept question. So once you are able to recall all those equations, it is easy for you to solve the problem. Okay, simple problem. Just go through it, you will understand. Thank you. Bye-bye.